Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know how I get down. Customer had a misfire on her. What year is this, ma'am?
2009 Toyota Camry.
What year?
2009.
2009 Toyota Camry, which most Camrys with the 4-cylinder is going to have this exact same engine. She had a misfire. Her check engine light was flashing. Anytime you see your check engine light flashing, that means you're misfiring. Pull over immediately, have the car towed. If you choose not to do it and you keep driving, you're not running on all your cylinders. In this case, the customer is running off of 3 of her 4 cylinders. So that means she is taking raw gas that is not exploded in the piston, and it is going directly to the catalytic converter. One way or Sunday, it will clog up that catalytic converter. And now you're looking over $1,000 minimum just to change a catalytic converter, because they're expensive because of the theft and the minerals that are in the inside of it. So the easiest way, I went to a diagnosing machine. You can go to any diagnosing machine. My diagnosing machine is a professional one. Look up which cylinder is misfiring. To know which cylinder you're looking at, you go closest to the timing belt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3 was misfiring. So the first thing I did is, if you do not have an extra coil, this is the bad one, and you do not have an extra coil, just undo the coils and switch them. If the misfire moves over, then you know the coil is bad. In my case, I knew from the machine number 3 was misfiring. She needs to change her wiring harness. As you can see, they're all zip tied and all broken up, which is very common with Camry. And I changed the coil pack. Can you start the car, please? The car has a lot of miles on it. And of course, I do see oil and stuff leaking. I see all that great stuff. The car is not misfiring anymore. There are 0 check engine lights flashing. There are no lights. There is a check engine light, but it's not flashing. That's going to be for something else. So what we're going to do live, we're going to go on the machine live and see if there's any more misfires. We're just going to do it live. So I'm going to get back into her system. Bear with me. Oh boy. All right, I did her maintenance light, so I've already did all that. We're going to escape out of this. We're going to escape out of this. We're going to escape out of this. And now I'm going to go and check out her engine. I'm going live data. And I'm going to see if anything is misfiring. And it's all live. So I'm going to scroll down all the way down to engine misfire. Either it is or isn't. Then I'm going to put a load on it by pressing the gas. It was misfiring no matter what. So we're going to keep scrolling down. Throttle. Got a lot of information, which are PIDs. And we're going to go down to it's our transmission. It's a lot of information on this stuff. You just got to know what to look for. Okay, Misfire RPM 0, which is right here. Let me get you out of the glare. It says it right there, Misfire RPM and load. We're at 0. Then we're going to go down to the misfire count. Speaks for itself. So I'm going to, I'm tall, I barely can get fit in here. All right, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna hit the gas. And either the number changes or it doesn't. Number 3 was misfiring. So I'm gonna keep scrolling over and you can see 0. This car might have other issues, but it is not misfiring. So let's find out what that check engine light is. Let's just go over to it. We're gonna go to trouble code. Just showing you guys that my diagnostic was done. And she seems to be having an ECM PCM processor issue, which is a computer issue. And one of her oxygen sensors are going bye-bye, literally. So, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. The initial issue was misfiring. That is taken care of. These other issues are a different situation. But she wanted to know why it was misfiring and wants to drive the vehicle to go to work. She is stuck, and we came to her rescue. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.